Hello students, welcome to another video of number theory. Today we are going to discuss the last theorem of our third chapter, and the theorem is on Jacobi symbol, which is similar to the quadratic reciprocity law in Legendre symbol. So statement of the theorem is if P and Q are odd and positive integers, also if this GCD, these P and Q are odd and positive, GCD of P and Q is equals to 1, then the Jacobi symbol of P and Q into Jacobi symbol of Q and P is equals to minus 1 to the power P minus 1 by 2 into Q minus 1 by 2. This statement is clearly looking like the quadratic reciprocity law in Legendre symbol, but here the symbol of P and Q is denotes the Jacobi symbol. So this is just the quadratic reciprocity law in Jacobi symbol. Whenever we consider the university examination, then there will be more examples and more theorems on Legendre symbol as compared to Jacobi symbol. So Legendre symbol is the most important topic instead of this Jacobi symbol. So first of all, we will going to prove this. In the proof of theorem, we have given that P and Q are odd and positive integers. So we can write that P and Q is equals to, suppose this P is just multiplication of P1 into P2 up to suppose PR, and again Q can be written in the multiple of Q1, Q2 up to Qs. These Pi's and Qis are prime numbers by definition of Jacobi symbol. So first of all, consider the Jacobi symbol of P and Q. Jacobi symbol of P and Q, which is just the product, using definition of Jacobi symbol, is just the product of j running from, in the Jacobi symbol we write this Q in multiple of some prime numbers which are not necessarily distinct, and this definition of Jacobi symbol of P and Q is product of j running from 1 to some s, that is the product of all prime numbers whose multiplication is this denominator or Q. So product j running from 1 to s, Legendre symbol of product of Legendre symbol of this P with Qj. Now again we can write this P as multiplication of Pi's. So we can write this product as it is, product j running from 1 to s as it is. This P can be written in form of multiple of P1, P2 up to PR, and this Qj as it is. Now this is, so we can generalize this as this product of j as it is, product j running from 1 to s as it is, and again we can generalize this product as product of suppose k running from 1 to r, k running from 1 to r, pk and this qj. This is just the generalization of this product. This is Legendre symbol of pk with ej. This is by using the, we can use or we can write this, since this is the Legendre symbol, and we can write the Legendre symbol of AB with P is equals to A with P into Legendre symbol of B with P. So using this result we can write this as multiplication of this, or this just is, this is just the generalization or product of this P1, P2 up to PR. Now here this notation or this term is Legendre symbol of Pk with Qj. So by using the quadratic reciprocity law of Legendre symbol we can write, but by quadratic reciprocity law, just a second, but by quadratic reciprocity law of Legendre symbol, quadratic reciprocity law, Legendre symbol, we can write, or we have the Legendre symbol of P and Q into Legendre symbol of Q and P is equals to minus 1 to the power P minus 1 by 2 into Q minus 1 by 2. This is the quadratic reciprocity law of the Legendre symbol, or we can write it as Legendre symbol of P and Q is equals to Legendre symbol of Q and P into minus 1 to the power P minus 1 by 2 into Q minus 1 by 2. We can write it as, since because we have seen in the examples that to find the Legendre symbol, we just find or write that Legendre symbol in this form, and after that we find this Legendre symbol and multiply both sides by this, so we get our final answer. Similarly, we can write this as, or multiply this Legendre symbol on this side, we can write Legendre symbol of P and Q is equals to Legendre symbol of Q and P into minus 1 to this term. So using this step, or using this quadratic reciprocity of Legendre symbol, we can write this product as, that is the Jacobi symbol of P and Q as, so we can write the Jacobi symbol of P and Q as this product, as it is product of J running from 1 to S into product of K running from 1 to R into this Legendre symbol of, here P is equals to Pk and Q is equals to Qj. So we can write this Legendre symbol of Pk and Qj is equals to, instead of this we can write Pk and Qj is equals to Qj by Pk into minus 1 to the power this Pk minus 1 by 2 into Qj minus 1 by 2. So using this result for this Legendre symbol, we can write this Qj by Pk into minus 1 to the power, minus 1 to the power Qj minus 1 by 2 into Pk minus 1 by 2. Here just put P is equals to this Pk and Q is equals to Qj, and we will get the Legendre symbol of Qj by Pk into minus 1 to the power Pk minus 1 by 2, Qj minus 1 by 2, here Qj minus 1 by 2, Pk minus 1 by 2. So using this result, we can write this Legendre symbol in this form. Now we are going to run this product of, suppose we are going to run this product K running from 1 to R. So we can run this product, and in the next step we will get this product J running from 1 to S as it is, J running from 1 to S as it is, the Legendre symbol of Qj by K is equals to 1, putting K is equals to 1, we will get P1 into minus 1 to the power Qj, J as it is, so Qj minus 1 by 2 as it is. Now instead of K, K is equals to 1, so P1 minus 1 by 2 into, again this K is, for K is equals to 2, Qj, this Qj P2 into minus 1 to the power Qj minus 1 by 2 as it is into this P2 minus 1 by 2 into, so running this product up to K is equals to R, we get Legendre symbol of Qj by PR into minus 1 to the power Qj minus 1 by 2 as it is into this P is equals to K is equals to R, so PR minus 1 by 2. This is just the, here so for K is equals to 1 to R, so putting K is equals to 1, we get this step, putting K is equals to this term, K is equals to R, we get this term. So just running this product from 1 to R, we get this equation. Now in the next step we are going to run, or we can take here minus 1 to the power Qj minus 1 by 2, minus 1 to the power Qj minus 1 by 2, minus 1 to the power Qj minus 1 by 2. So taking this minus 1 to the power Qj minus 1 by 2 one side or common, and again this Legendre symbol of Qj by P1, Qj by P2 up to Qj by PR. So using the result of Legendre symbol, we can write this is just the Legendre symbol of Qj by P1 into P2 up to PR. So this multiplication of P1 into P2 up to PR, and this multiplication P1 into P2 into P3 up to PR is capital P. So just writing that legendary symbol of Qj by P1 P2 up to PR is legendary symbol of Qj by P, and here the remaining terms are minus 1 to the power P1 minus 1 by 2, here minus 1 to the power P2 minus 1 by 2, again minus 1 to the power PR minus 1 by 2. So here these P1 minus 1 by 2, P2 minus 1 by 2 up to PR minus 1 by 2 are just the power of minus 1. So adding those powers, we will get the next step, that is, which is equals to this product J running from 1 to S as it is legendary symbol of Qj by capital P, that is just the multiplication of P1 here, taking this Qj by P1, then Qj by P2 up to Qj by PR, this multiplication one side, and this is just the legendary symbol of Qj upon P1 into P2 into P3 up to PR, and multiplication of P1 P2 P3 up to PR is capital P. So just writing this legendary symbol of Qj by P, and now minus 1 to the power this Qj minus 1 by 2, here again Qj minus 1 by 2 up to Qj minus 1 by 2 common, and here minus 1 to the power P1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 to the power P2 minus 1 by 2 up to minus 1 to the power PR minus 1 by 2. In the previous theorem we have seen that generalization of this result, that is minus 1 to the power P1 minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 to the power minus 1 to the power P1 minus 1 by 2 plus P2 minus 1 by 2 plus up to PR minus 1 by 2 is just the, so instead of just explaining, I will write here the summation minus 1 to the power, suppose summation that k varies from 1 to R, summation of Pk minus 1 by 2, and the other term Qj minus 1 by 2 was as it is. This term comes since here minus 1 to the power Qj minus 1 by 2, minus 1 to the power Qj minus 1 by 2, minus 1 to the power Qj minus 1 by 2 appears in each term, that is for all R terms minus 1 to the power Qj minus 1 by 2 is as it is. So minus 1 to the power Qj minus 1 by 2 as it is. Instead of writing this Qj minus 1 by 2 here, you can write that Qj minus 1 by 2 here. So after that taking summation, so summation is just minus 1 to the power P1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 to the power P2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 to the power PR minus 1 by 2 are just the remaining terms. So just adding the powers of minus 1. So minus 1 to the power this, minus 1 to the power this, and minus 1 to the power. So adding these terms P1 minus 1 by 2, P2 minus 1 by 2, PR minus 1 by 2, just this summation. So this is summation of summation k running from 1 to R. So summation of these k numbers. There is no change on this Qj minus 1 by 2 since Qj minus 1 by 2 is a common term. So now this summation k running from 1 to k minus 1 to the power k running from 1 to R is, we have seen in the previous theorem that the summation is just the product of P1 into P2 into P3 up to PR minus 1 by 2. So now instead of running this summation or writing that multiplication or using that result, I will just run this summation. Now putting j is equals to 1, j is equals to 2, j is equals to 3, and j is equals to s. We will get this legendary symbol of q1 by p into this minus 1 to the power summation over k running from 1 to r pk minus 1 by 2, this q1 minus 1 by 2, putting j is equals to 1. Next term is legendary symbol of q2 by p into minus 1 to the power this summation over k as it is pk minus 1 by 2 into, next term is into this, I will write it here, q2 minus 1 by 2. This term is multiplication of this plus up to, into this multiplication will carry up to j is equals to s. So qs and p, the legendary symbol of qs and p, minus 1 to the power this summation again over k as it is 1 to r pk minus 1 by 2 into qs minus 1 by 2. This just the running j running from 1 to s. So putting here, you can write it as, now taking this legendary symbol common, legendary symbol of taking this legendary symbol one side, the legendary symbol of q1 and p, q2 and p up to qs by p. So this is just the multiplication of q1 into q2 up to qs with p, and this multiplication is capital Q. So just writing this q1 into q2 into q3 up to qs as capital Q, and this whole capital P as it is. So this is the Jacobi symbol, since this q1 into q2 up to q3 up to qs is multiplication is equals to q. So writing this as it is, and we will get minus 1 to the power this summation k running from 1 to r pk minus 1 by 2 as it is, and this, so this common term. So if we take this q1 by p, q2 by p up to qs by p one side, and minus 1 to the power this summation is common in each term, so minus 1 to the power again common, then the remaining terms are minus 1 to the power q1 minus 1 by 2, minus 1 to the power q2 minus 1 by 2 up to minus 1 to the power qs minus 1 by 2. So this is again just this summation of j running from 1 to s qj minus 1 by 2, qj minus 1 by 2. Now, or we can write it as this Jacobi symbol of q and p minus 1 to the power summation k running from 1 to r to summation j running from 1 to s pk minus 1 by 2 into this qj minus 1 by 2. But this summation can be written as, but this summation k running from 1 to r summation j running from 1 to s of this pk minus 1 by 2 into qj minus 1 by 2 is just the p minus 1 by 2, capital P, this p is capital P minus 1 by 2 into capital Q minus 1 by 2, since this summation, that is p1 minus 1 by 2 into p2 minus 1 by 2 up to pr minus 1 by 2 is just the multiplication, since this is equals to this, since by previous theorem or using just this result p1 minus 1 by 2 into p2 minus 1 by 2, sorry, this is plus summation, so this here plus sign, since this p1 minus 1 by 2 plus p2 minus 1 by 2 plus up to this pr minus 1 by 2 is equals to p1 into p2 up to pr minus 1 by 2, and this multiplication of p1 p2 up to pr is capital P, and similarly for q, that is small q1 minus 1 by 2 plus q2 minus 1 by 2 plus up to qs minus 1 by 2 is just the multiplication of q1 q2 up to qs minus 1 by 2, and this multiplication of q1 q2 up to qs is capital Q. So using this result we can write this p minus 1 by 2 q minus 1 by 2. So putting this value of summation here, suppose this is just the Jacobi symbol of p and q, equation suppose star, therefore putting this in equation star we will get, therefore equation star becomes Jacobi symbol of p and q is equals to Jacobi symbol of q and p into minus 1 to the power p minus 1 by 2 into q minus 1 by 2. Hence the proof. In this proof we have seen that p and q are odd primes, GCD of p and q is equals to 1, then the Jacobi symbol of p and q into Jacobi symbol of q and p is equals to minus 1 to the power p minus 1 by 2 into q minus 1 by 2. So here we have taken p and q are odd and positive, so we can write p and q in the multiplication of odd primes, that is p1 p2 up to pr and q is equals to q1 q2 up to qr. And just consider the Jacobi symbol of p and q. So Jacobi symbol of p and q, using definition of Jacobi symbol, we can write, this is by definition of Jacobi symbol. So by using definition of Jacobi symbol, we can write Jacobi symbol of p and q is equals to product of Legendre symbols of p and qj. So we have p is equals to this multiplication. So just writing this, p is equals to p1 p2 up to pr, and now by using this result we can write or just generalize this result, that is product of this pk with qj. So by using quadratic reciprocity law, we can write this Legendre symbol as pk, that is Legendre symbol of pk with qj is equals to Legendre symbol of qj with pk, Legendre symbol of qj with pk into minus 1 to the power qj minus 1 by 2 into pg minus 1 by 2, since by using this quadratic reciprocity of Legendre symbols, and this is a Legendre symbol. So using that quadratic reciprocity law, we can write this. So after that, running this product of k running from 1 to r, we get this term, that is putting the value of k is equals to 1. So first of all, here k is equals to 1, again here k is equals to 1, and k is equals to 2. So here k is equals to 2. Again for here k is equals to 2. So running this summation, we get this term. Now taking this Legendre symbol into this Legendre symbol into this Legendre symbol, one side we get just a second. So taking that Legendre symbol common, we will get this, that is Legendre symbol of qj with p1 into Legendre symbol of qj with p2 into Legendre symbol of qj with pr, and this Legendre symbol we can write in the form, the Legendre symbol of this is equals to Legendre symbol of qj with this p1 into p2 up to pr, and now this p1 p2 up to pr is, so this is just the product of p1 p2 up to pr, and this product is just the Jacobi symbol of qj with this capital P, Jacobi symbol of qj with capital P. So writing this 1 to up to r terms separately and using the definition of Jacobi symbol, we will get this. Now here similarly, minus 1 to the power qj minus 1 by 2, minus 1 to the power qj minus 1 by 2. So taking minus 1 to the power qj minus 1 by 2 common. So here minus 1 to the power qj minus 1 by 2 taking common. So here this is into, so into minus 1 to the power this p1 minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 to the power, sorry, plus into p1 minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 to the power, sorry, p2 up to this minus 1 to the power pr minus 1 by 2. So taking this term, that is p minus 1 to the power p qj minus 1 by 2 common, the remaining terms are minus 1 to the power this, minus 1 to the power this, to minus 1 to the power this. So adding just this power, adding this, that is minus 1 to the power p1 minus 1 by 2 plus p2 minus 1 up to this pr minus 1 by 2, and this is, we can write this as p1 into p2 up to pr minus 1 by 2 by using the result that we have used in previous theorem. So this product is just the capital P, that is p minus 1 by 2. Similarly, running this product of j running from 1 to s, running this product, we get this Legendre symbol q1 minus q1 with p, q2 with p up to qs with p. So taking similarly taking that Legendre symbols common, we get Jacobi symbol of, that is q1 into q2 up to qs with p is just the Jacobi symbol of q with p, and similarly minus 1 to the power, taking here summation of pk minus 1 by 2 is common, so remaining terms are minus 1 to the power q1 minus 1 by 2 plus q2 minus 1 by 2. So using that results, we get this, that is summation of both. So just summing or putting k is equals to 1 to r, j is equals to 1 to r, we get two different terms, and this is the result that we have used in the previous theorem. So using this result, we can write this as p minus 1 by 2, or this result because of this. This is the reason behind this step. This whole is the reason behind this step that you have to write in this proof, write it in proper way. So by using this in equation star we get Jacobi symbol of P and Q is equals to Jacobi symbol of Q and P into this, that is the proof. Or instead of this is not the complete proof, or we can write this as Jacobi symbol of P and Q into Jacobi symbol of Q and P is equals to minus 1 to the power P minus 1 by 2 into Q minus 1 by 2, hence the proof. I think it is clear now, hence the proof.